So my name is Jack. We selected Sosna because we really had a good comfort level in our initial meeting with Andre. What really appealed to us was his disciplined approach to project management. Andre had a very calming effect as well and showcased that he had a lot of experience. His reference list was something that again exuded that confidence. On top of that, what we really appreciated was that Sosna was here to take the worry and the hassle out of our hands. So they showed up, they managed it end to end, made sure that the site was clean by the end of the day. We executed a renovation with 2 small kids living in the house during the same time, which I think is a testament to the fact that we still had a somewhat livable house. And I say somewhat because it's still a renovation and it's a big one. Design staff was fantastic. They worked with our tastes, our budget, to really come up with a design that we're really proud of and we're proud to showcase. And we get that feedback even through our friends and our family that comes and visits and really love the work that's been done. And lastly, the staff, the workers, the contractors that were here, the Sosna staff, they really did a great job, and they showed day in, day out that they cared about the work that they were doing and about the customer. And it's visible and it's evident in the work that was done throughout the house. We're very happy with the renovation. We wake up some mornings and we're thrilled to be living in our current and yet brand new house. And it's a pleasure to just live in a home that was previously unrenovated and now is designed to our specs and our personal tastes. We love it. Thank you, Sosna.